Bullish Axie vastness cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $42.04 and $79.41 by 2030. Market examiners accept Axie could reach $32.70 by 2025. Bearish Axie endlessness market cost expectation for 2023 is $7.47. Axie endlessness presentation. Axie endlessness is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with conventional gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure genuine prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Nonetheless, what makes Axie vastness novel is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axie. These Axies can be exchanged, reared, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie boundlessness? Axie endlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be collected from parts. The game highlights a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game cash, Axie, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with interactivity. There is likewise a milestones mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thus based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neural Connection Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion and notoriety. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, journey framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Axie Limitlessness Principle Examination. The group behind Axie Limitlessness is extremely capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for north of 2 years and has a huge local area of dynamic clients. Axie Boundlessness is one of the most well-known games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by everyday dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and different ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 unmistakable body parts accessible for these Axies, including seagoing, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them truly alterable and every now and again exceptional and one of a kind. Parts from each kind class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, interesting, very uncommon, and amazing. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies, dissimilar to a few other blockchain-based battling and reproducing games. Axie Boundlessness current cost. Axie Boundlessness is at present worth $9.34 USD. Axie has moved 3.33% as of now with an exchanging volume of $78,448,176. Axie Boundlessness is at present positioned 350 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,096,662,599 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Axie vastness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Axie endlessness market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2023. Axie endlessness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Axie cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $14.01. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $13.08 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $11.21. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Axie vastness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $23.36. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Axie's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $18.69 and a typical exchanging cost of $20.55. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $32.70 and Axie might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $29.90 and a low of $28.03 in 2025. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Axie Limitlessness effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the Axe coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axe will be green in 2026. The Axe is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $42.04, with a base cost of $37.37 and a typical cost of $39.24. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Axe cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $48.58 by 2027, with a base cost of $46.71 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Axe has a greatest value worth of $51.38. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $57.92. On the off chance that Axe figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $60.73. Neglecting to accumulate the help Axe needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $56.06. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2029. While Axe is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $65.40 and a yearly cost close above $70.07 in 2029. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Axie Vastness will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $74.74 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $79.41, averaging out at $76.61. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Axe cost in 2031 is projected to be $91.56 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $87.82. And so what does the future hold for Axie Boundlessness? The truth will surface at some point. However, assuming that the past is any marker, we can anticipate incredible things from this promising task. Make certain to watch out for Axe as it proceeds with its rising to becoming one of the top digital currencies on the planet. What is the Axie Vastness cost today? Today, Axie Vastness is exchanging at $9.32 with an all-out market capitalization of $1,096,662,599. Is Axie Endlessness a wise speculation? Axie Endlessness ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that Axe is a decent decision of venture. How high could Axie Endlessness at any point go?